Hi, I'm Michael Kuzilny from MK Law Sydney. You know, I've been around the court system for over 35 years and I still enjoy, after all this time, helping people get through the tough times, and I can help you too. You're saying, Michael, but that's a long time. How can you still enjoy it? You know, these days I really take on people who need my help. 10 years ago it was, you know, busyness. But these days I'll take on your case, and if it's not worthwhile going to court, I'll tell you. But if it is, I'll certainly fight for your rights, and I'll do everything in my power to make sure that you don't lose your license. You know, so how do we take a penalty notice or a fine to court in New South Wales? Quite simple, really. You go to the Service New South Wales website, you press the start button, you put your penalty notice number into a section and your date of birth, and then they'll come back with a reference number. That's when you call me, say, Michael, I've done all that, and if you don't know how to do it still, then just check the website. Yep, MK Law Sydney, and there's instructions there. Yeah, you've got to do that yourself, and then you can call me, and we can go to court. And I've done many thousands of these type of cases with successful outcomes. Because we're not going to rush things, you know. 35 years experience. It's not blowing my own trumpet, but I don't think there's too many lawyers out there who've had 35 years plus court experience. So it does make a difference, you know. It does make a difference, because that's 35 years of going to court, addressing magistrates, getting winning outcomes, speaking to the prosecutions, speaking to the police informant, and you can imagine some of the personalities you'll be dealing with, you know, but there's a way, and you learn the way. So why do we take a penalty notice to the local courts in New South Wales? Number one, avoid a licence suspension. That's what you're after, to prevent a criminal conviction. To reduce or eliminate demerit points, hopefully the latter, you know, you don't want any demerit points, and we want to apply for leniency under Section 10, dismissal. So we ask the court to exercise their discretion, because you're such a decent person, you need your licence, and we want the matter proven and dismissed. But I can explain all that. Feel free to call me, Michael Kuzilny, 041 555 70111, or email me. All the very best.